Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make abacha, also known as cassava flakes, so stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Here I've got with me one big cassava. I will go on and start cutting it into smaller shapes. Then after that I will start peeling off the skin of the cassava. It's so easy to peel off the skin. Before you say Jack Robinson, you're already done with this. It doesn't require much of your time. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Also share out the video. Once I'm done peeling off the skin, I will rinse it and put it into the pot which I will be using to cook the cassava. Then I will add some water to it to cover the cassava. If the water doesn't cover everything, only one side will cook. So make sure that your water covers everything before you start cooking it, okay? Just like so. Then I will cover and take it to my cooker and I will start cooking on a low heat. Diasporian cassava doesn't take too much time to be cooked, so you make sure you keep your eye on it. Once it starts boiling like this, then you give it more 5 minutes and off your stove. Another way to also check whether it has cooked very well is use your spoon to bring it up. Once you see this opening at the middle, it means that it is well cooked. So you can off your stove by now and you take it out from the cooker so it will stop the cooking process. Another thing you do to stop the cooking process is to take out the water immediately and also pour in cold water to it, like I'll be doing now in the video. Another way to know that it is well cooked is just touch your spoon on it just like this and it will break. Then I'll be adding some cold water to it to stop the cooking process like I said earlier, and I allow the cold water to stay in here for about 30 seconds. Then I will take it out and we move on to the next step. After 30 seconds, take out the water just like so. The next step is to start grating the cassava, and I will be using this type of sieve to grate in my cassava. This particular side is where I will be using. Then I will just start grating in the cassava just like so. And once you are done, it should be looking like this. So I will go on and adding cold water to this. Make sure the water covers everything. After adding the cold water, stir to separate everything because some will be gummed together. So it's good you stir it. Then once you are done, you cover it, keep it aside and leave it till the next day. This must have to stay till the following day. And the following day should be looking like this with foams on top. So you sieve out the water, add fresh water and rinse it several times. For this I rinsed it 3 times. You can go on and rinse it 4 to 5 times, but 3 times is okay, and it should be looking like this. Once you are done sieving out the water, you start spreading it on top of any flat surface. The best time to prepare your abacha is during summer when the sun is out. But you can still go on and prepare this during winter. And the first time I tried this at home was during winter 2019. And it still came out perfectly well, just that it will take too much time to dry, like 3 to 4 days. But when there is sun, it takes only 2 days to be dried. So guys, guess what? After I'm done preparing it and I took it outside for the sun to dry it, it started drizzling a bit, so I had to bring it back inside the house and I kept it on top of my dining table for days The second day I stirred it a bit, and the third day it was looking like this. I had to put everything together, and the fourth day it was ready. So this is the end result. So I will go on and use this to prepare abacha. I don't normally do this except when the one that I brought from home finish, then I don't have any other option than to do this when I crave for abacha. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learn one or two things. If you do so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share out the video, leave your comments below. I'll be putting the links of how I prepared this abacha in my description box. Feel free to check it out. Till I come your way again. Bye, and see you in my next one.